Kasi narinig ko yung donation, yung solicitation. Di ba sir, pagka nag-donate, nag-solicit, nagbabayad pa yan ng, ng donor's tax. Dapat ba yan nire-report? Halimbawa, yung kaibigan ni Mr. Abalos, kailangan mag-file sila ng donor's tax, ganun ba yun? Hindi siya nagsabi galing daw sa kaibigan niya eh. Oh. Wala naman nagtatanong sa kanya, sinabi lang niya. Ako nagtanong ako sa kanya, saan galing yung pondo? Kasi nakita ko yung logo ng PNP at saka DILG. So ang iniisip ko noon, pera ng gobyerno, pondo ng gobyerno. Eh sabi niya hindi, galing daw sa kaibigan.
Baka nakulangan lang siguro ng research po si Secretary Abalos. Kung mabasa natin yung Section 7D ng Republic Act 6713, swak na swak talaga siya. Because whatever may be your intention, it may be motivated by good faith or whatever, you cannot accept private donations in order to make the life of another person miserable, even if it is supposedly for a legal purpose. That cannot be, because that is right to that invites any and all temptations. Oh, kasi may rumor na tatakbo siya pagka senador. Oh, so kumbaga rumor lang 'yan. And what would prevent him from to also I am also accepting donations for the public purpose of the advancement of my senatorial campaign. Of course, that is only a possibility, no? I'm not saying that he is doing it, but the danger that would arise if we would allow that to happen is really there. And that is why Republic Act 6713 is precisely crafted in order to curtail any and all such possibilities.